into the SketchUp, and I'm going to left click on camera option. So as you can see right now my cursor is on camera option, and I'm going to left click, so the window is open, and the first option on this window is previous and the second is next, and we will talk about of both of these options later. But first we are going to discuss about standard views. I'm going to teach you about and give you complete information about standard views. And when I put my cursor on the standard view, so we have a very small list which is appear here, and on this list we have different port views like top, bottom, front, and so on. And we will use these port views, the different standard views, to see the 3D model from different angles, from different camera angles. For example, we have this 3D model, and if you want to see this 3D model house from front view of the camera view, from the camera point of view, so for that we need to click on camera, and then we need to put our cursor on standard views, and then we need to go on to this small list and click on front port view. So right now this model is in a front port view, and if we want to see this 3D model from top camera angle, from the top view, so for that we need to go and click on camera and then put our cursor on standard view, so the list is open, and after that we need to click on top port view option. So right now the 3D project is in a top view, but as we can see this 3D model is not truly into the top port view mode, because it is right now in a 3D mode. As we can see by zooming into this 3D model, we can see it is look like a 3D model completely. And if we are into top port view mode, so the project, whatever project a 3D model, it should be look like a 3D mode, not to be visible. Actually it should be look like a 2D mode when we look from top view. For that I am going to click on camera option, so one window is appear, and as we are going to scroll down through this window, so we have a parallel projection and perspective view, and right now our this model is into perspective view. That's why we are able to see this model from top view into 3D mode. But if we are if we are convert this complete model from perspective view to parallel projection, so this model from top view, when we zoom, so it's look like a 2D model. I'm going to let you know how it is when I'm going to click on parallel projection. So as you can see now it is completely converted into 2D plan. As we zoom in, so we can see that it's look like a 2D plan from different portion. As we can see now it's look like a 2D. So if you want to put the standard view toolbar on the user interface, so you just need to click on view, and then you need to click on toolbar, so the toolbar window is appear, and after that you need to scroll down through this list, and then you need to click on view, and this is view, which is a standard view toolbar option to be visible, and right now it is visible into user interface, and we need to close this toolbar. So as you can see the user interface on which standard view toolbar is visible here. on the top left hand side, and we can move it from left to right, as I'm going to do it for you. From left, from top left to right it is moved, and you can put it also into middle if you want. It's totally up to yourself. I mean, whatever place you want this toolbar to be, you can just place it there. And when I click on this isolated mode, so it's into isolated mode. When I click on top, so it is in top. When I click on front, so it is in front, as you can see. And when I click on right, back, left. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, so please subscribe and share with your friends to spread the knowledge of power.